Can you divide a decimal by a decimal? Let me show you a trick. And I'm going to use my bus stop to help me. I have 1.2 divided by 2.5. Well, the rule is very simple. I cannot have a decimal number as my divisor. I can have this as a decimal, but this cannot be a decimal. So are you ready for a great trick? All I need to do is times this side by 10. If I times this by 10, 2.5 magically becomes 25. But to keep it equivalent, because I times this side by 10, I now need to times this side by 10 as well, and 1.2 times 10 magically becomes 12. So my equivalent question is 12 divided by 25. Now I can just use my short method to help me. How many 25s are there in 1? 0. Carry the 1 across. How many 25s in 12? Also 0. Now I'm going to need to put a decimal and then 0 in my tens column, which will not change the value of my 12, but it gives me somewhere to place my 12 remainders. Now I have how many 25s are there in 120? Put by my decimal, there are 4, but there are 20 left over. So I'm going to put another 0, which would be in the 100th column, carry my 20 remainders, and now my last question is how many 25s are there in 200? There are 8. So my answer, 0.48 or 0.48. Same thing. Easy.